Today we're going to make homemade jam. I got my supplies, items that we're going to need. There's sugar, sugar gel, liquid, strawberries, and our jars and lids. I've got my daughter helping me, and I'll get this stuff prepared and I'll be right back in a little bit. Okay, my jars are ready, sterilized, and so are the lids. And I've got one pouch of the Certo pectin liquid. Okay, now let's get the jam started. Let those drain and dry. And for mashing, I'm just going to use a potato masher. Okay, now got them all mashed up. Now we got to measure out the sugar. 7 cups of sugar. Remember to stir often because you don't want your berries to scorch. Get that to a full rolling boil. Now you can see the foam forming on top. Now you can scoop that off once you're ready to take it off the heat and put it in jars, but I usually don't. It don't matter either way. Okay, I'm going to let it settle just a little bit, and then I'm going to dip it out into my jars and jar it up. Okay, I've ended up with that batch made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 half pints. So let's get the lids on it and hope it seals. Okay, there's the finished product where we've got our winter jam.